How to add admin to TikTok account. Adding an admin to a TikTok account allows multiple users to manage and collaborate on content more efficiently. Now, the problem this time though is that there's not actually a direct feature on TikTok to do that, but there's a workaround and I'm going to go ahead and tell you that one. So first things first, what you are going to do is basically share your username and password to your admin. Say for example, someone who is going to manage your account, you're going to have to share it to them first. Now, another thing is this one here. I want you to go ahead and click this three lines here at the top. There you go. And we're going to go ahead and click the settings and privacy. After doing that, you should see here security and permissions. Go ahead and click that as well. And then we're going to go ahead and turn on two-step verification. So I'm going to go ahead and click this one. And then we're going to go ahead and basically select two methods. The methods that I'm going to be using are these here: email, authenticator, and password. If you want to do that for phone, you can definitely do that as well. So once you have chosen the methods, go ahead and click the turn on button here below. Alright, you have here your authenticator. Now all you have to do is register this to your authenticator app. I use Google Authenticator, so you can definitely use that as well. And then you can also add your phone number if you want to, but I'm going to go ahead and skip this part. Alright, add to trusted device. So this one here, I want you to go ahead and add this one to your trusted device. So go ahead and click the add button down here. Alright, so now you can go ahead and click this one here below, manage trusted device, and then you can just go ahead and add another trusted device. Alright, and then you're going to have to log in your TikTok to that other device so that you will be able to add them here. So yep, that's basically how you are going to do it. Basically, anytime that particular admin of yours is going to log in to use your account for managing, you will be notified of it. And that's the beauty of it. So yep, this is the only way in order for us to get this done, but now you have successfully know how to add admin to your own TikTok account. And as always, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave this video a like if it helps you out.